Derek the mechanic here. Today I was called out in the cold weather, which it don't stop. I'm working on a 2000 Echo, replacing the CV axle. This is a 5-speed, 4-speed manual transmission. What it was doing was binding inside of the transmission. So I was called out I already got the old one off right there. I was called out to do this right here. What I requested was let's put some fresh GL. This is GL5. This is for manual transmission. That's for manual transmissions right there. You have to fill it from underneath. What I'm gonna do with this right here, when you fill these back up, you're gonna need one of these. You're gonna need this right here. This is like a cipher. You got to cipher it back inside the transmission. What you do the requirements to put an axle on this car, what you're gonna need to remove outer tie rod first. Well, that's what I always do. Well, I do this like second. I'll do the bolt first, this second, then this last, which is the strut. The strut mount last. That way it'll drop the spindle or drop the spindle, and you can pull that axle on up out of there, pull it on through. Well, you have to get a screwdriver and pry it back. You got to pry it back, it'll pop out. A lot of people been asking me why I ain't made no videos, because they do help out. I get a lot of calls from Atlanta, Virginia, Florida on YouTube, man. But I appreciate y'all calling me. But yeah, man, it's pretty much, axles ain't hard to put in, man. I do them, and it's probably like 45 minutes I can do them. But yeah, you need some work done, give me a call at 512-851-6165. You know, if you need an axle put on your car, wheel bearings, anything like that, tie rods. I do a lot of front end work, so pretty good at it. And I don't charge much. Like the shop's gonna charge you $1,200, $1,500. I'll charge not even half of that. I'll come out and do it for about $250, $275. So give me a call. You need some work done. Thank you. Thanks for watching.